after we get this relationship, then we are going to put n equal to 1, 2, and 3 in order to obtain the value of a0, a1, a2, a3 into an. Okay, so when we plug a is equal to 1 there, we would get a1 equal to a0 to oh, not yet. We are going to plug the value of r there first. We know our r is equal to 1. We put r equal to 1 in there, so we would get an equal to an minus 1 divided by n plus 1 times n minus n plus 1 plus 1, or an is equal to an minus 1 divided by 3n. Lơ lông mà n square. So then we put n equal to 1. We get a1 equal to a0 divided by 1. N equal to 2. Get a2 equal to a1 divided by 4. Which is equal to a0 divided by 4. N equal to 3. a3 is equal to a2 divided by 9. Which is a0 divided by 9 times 4. Long, eh? ค่ะเอาเลยมอไหมคะมอเหรอ up or down? Up or down? You just use your finger. So it's got to be up or down, or it's okay here. At this point it's fine. Or what? Go down or go up? Up. Put up. Too much. So when we put n equal to 1 there, you would get a0 divided by 1. We put n equal to 2 there, we got a2 is equal to a1 divided by 4, or a0 divided by 4, which is a0 divided by 2 times 2. And then when we put n equal to 3 there, we got a3 is equal to a2 divided by 9, which is equal to a0 divided by 9 times 4. And 9 times 4 is times 3 times 2 times 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 3 factorial. This one is kind of a0 divided by 3 factorial times 3 factorial. And then when we plot n equal to 4 there, we got a3 divided by 16, which is a0 divided by 3 times 4, 4 times 3 times 2, which is 4 factorial. And we have another 4 factorial there, so it's equal to a0 divided by 4 factorial times 4 factorial. If you plug n is equal to 5 there, you would get a5 equal to a4 divided by 25, which is equal to a0 divided by 5 factorial times 5 factorial. So in that case, we now see the trends of it, right? So if we have a6, we would get a6 is equal to a0 divided by 6 factorial times 6 factorial. So that means our an is equal to a0 divided by n factorial to the power 2. Right? It means n factorial times n factorial. So we are going to write down our y1. What is our r1? 1, right? N plus 1, which is equal to a0 x plus a1 x squared plus a2 x to the power 3 plus a3 x to the power 4, and so on. And now our a0, we put it right there. a1 is equal to a0, and a2 is equal to a0 divided by 2 factorial to the power 2, and a0, a3 is equal to 3 factorial to the power 2, and so on. We take a0 times x out, we get 1 plus x plus x to the power 2, x to the power 3. Okay. We can write down it can be written as y1 is equal to a0x summation n is equal to 0 to infinity of 1 over n factorial to the power 2 x to the power n. Right? You can check whether this relationship is correct. When we put n is equal to 0, we would get 1. N equal to 1, we got x. N to the 2, put n equal to 2, x to the power 2, okay. N to 3, x to the power 3 divided by 6 factorial to the power 2, okay. Here we got our y1. Now y2.